Hello everyone, we are from Group 2nd. In the meeting today, for computer-assisted language learning, we will presentation about tutorial how to use Powtoon. But first, let me introduce our members from Group 2. We have Dini Rismawati, Wahyu Pranata, Selvira Ananda Armeda, and the last, Ari Abram. Have you ever heard about Powtoon? Powtoon is an application that can be used to make slides of materials into a video form. Powtoon made for everyone, free and provided by the internet. So let's get started.
Thank you, Ari. Now let's start with how to use Powtoon. First, we go to the internet and type powtoon.com. And this is the main display of the Powtoon page. We can see on the top right, there is a login and sign up. For those who have not registered, can click sign up. After that, there is a sign up Powtoon page. And register our account via email, Google, Facebook, Office 365, and also LinkedIn. At this time, we will register an account through to Google that we already have. After this, there will be a display I am a. On this page, we can choose what our purpose to use this page, whether we use it as a manager, entrepreneur, educational institution, student, teacher, or individual, and etc. But here I will choose as a teacher. This is the first page of Powtoon. We start from the left, which is home. For new users of this page, Powtoon provides many bonus convenience service for 4 days. In this form of unlimited videos, can send our content result via YouTube, link ID, and etc. And premium services, this is given for free for 4 days only. Fun, isn't it? After that, we can claim your gift and return to the main page. Here we can see on the bottom left, that is how long our price is valid. Beside home, here there are also templates, import, create, help, more, and tour. Also our name account. In the middle of this, we can choose a template that suits for our content needs. Then, there is a toolbox on the right to see collection of videos that we have produced. Let's start to make a video by clicking on the template. As I explained at the beginning, Powtoon provides many templates to make it easier for us to work on creative content without having to think about complicated design and waste a lot of energy and time. After selecting the template that we want, we can adjust the contents of the template according to our need. Here, I will choose 5 fun template tips. Before we start, we can see the contents of the page first by clicking on the preview. If this page matches what we need, we can click on edit this template on the bottom right. After that, the page will load for approximately 30 seconds and a page like this will appear. On the left, there are slides. There on the top, there are edit and create buttons. To create content in the form of writing, we can click the edit button. And to make a new video, we can click the create button. Next, help buttons, undo, redo, and also we can change the title as we need. Save, present, preview, share, and export to download the video, that we have completed. On the page itself, there are grid, horizon, zoom in and zoom out buttons, then the volume buttons, play, and the duration of the video that we have made.
Okay, we study to use Powtoon. Let's prepare the material first, and we make material like this. And we can save it in the form of a note or Microsoft Word. We make it per slide, then we can click on each template. And double click on the text in the template to change the title in the template to the text we wrote earlier. And we do copy and paste here. And click here to change the text size. And we do the same with the template that we will add next. We use the same way as before, like copy and paste the text. And for the next, I'm gonna remove the icon that I didn't use for the next slide. We can click mode key and then click the icon in the template that we want to remove. Click here and we have the option. The option swap, enter, lock, bring to the front, bring to forward, send backward, send to back, undo, cut, copy, delete. And of course, to delete, we choose a delete this time. And then we can see in the create mode, there's a mode option in the right. There's a scene, background, text, characters. There is props and shapes, images, videos, sound, and the last one is spatial. Now we will put the image for this template, so we can choose image like this, and can we see there the option for upload image, my image, storyboard premium, and free image. And right now I'm gonna transfer photo for use my own memory card. Then click the upload image and there's an option. There's an option for we uploaded image. There's a capture, upload, and hire designer. And also from the application of social media, there's a Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Google Photo. This time I will use upload and come up the screen like this. Choose the photos that we want to upload from our computer, and after we choose the photo, click open and the photos come up here. The images that you choose come up on your screen template. We can also change the size of the photos by dragging the cursor from top to the bottom or from bottom to the top, like this. And then we adjust the image on the template as we want. If it feels right, we can return to edit mode. We click here, like this. And then after that, we can move on to the next slide to edit. Add text from the material we have. Same as before, we double click and add material to it. Then it can be adjusted until we think it fits. Like this, we copying the materials and paste. And do the same thing for the next material. Then I also want to add duration to this video. We can click create, and at the bottom we can click plus at the bottom, click plus, like this, and it means one click equals 1 second at a time.
Video duration was successfully added. And now, back to edit mode. Do the same steps on each slide. Copy the materials and paste it on the template. Now to add characters, click the Create button. Then on the right, select Character. Powtoon provides many choices of characters, from simple, modern to professional characters, and the available character will appear. There is a wide choice of expression for each characters. Click the desired character. The selected character will appear on the slide. To increase or decrease the character size, drag the cursor on the corner point. Then, hold the cursor on the character and drag to move the character position. Then, release it in the desired position. To change the direction of the character, click on the character and select the flip sign. When finished, return to edit mode. Click the edit button. After each slide is complete, click export. Then the available options will appear. Export and share, download video, download image, download animated, upload to Powtoon, upload to Vimeo, upload to YouTube, download as a PPT. Choose to upload to YouTube. Click YouTube. Click and add account. Select the YouTube account that we have. Click Allow Powtoon to access your YouTube account. Select Privacy for the type of video that we will upload. Click Select Public. Click Next. Fill in every detail and description before the video is uploaded to YouTube, such as category, privacy, and title. Click Next. Select the type of video resolution to upload. Click Upload with watermarks. And a notification will appear when our video has been successfully uploaded to YouTube and is ready to be watched.
That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we will be ready to answer some questions. Hopefully we can answer all the questions.